In this video, I will show you the 5 steps you need to take in order to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to another wallet. Step number 1 is to get your Ethereum receive address. So just open your destination wallet, whether that's MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet, Exodus, Coinbase, whichever one you're using, and then select or search for Ethereum. Then tap or click receive, and then copy your Ethereum address. It will start with 0x, so just copy that. Make sure the network is Ethereum, not BSC, Polygon or others, unless you specifically plan to use those and both wallets support them. But from there, just open up Kraken and sign in. And then on Kraken, what you want to do is go to portfolio here and then withdraw, and then select Ethereum from the list. Now for the network, just pick the same one that you picked on your receiving address. Most often it will be Ethereum. Then here I already have this address, but what you can do is click change and then add withdrawal address. And here simply paste in the withdrawal address that you just copied from the wallet you want to send to and give it a nickname such as Coinbase, Ethereum. Then click add withdrawal address and it will then send you an email as confirmation, so open it and approve the new address. And from there it will be added just like my MetaMask one right here, so click on it and then here you can choose how much you want to send. Now I recommend sending a small amount first to see if it arrives, and from there sending the rest, just to be safe. So here enter a small amount first, just do the minimum, and from there click on review. You will then see where it's being sent, on what network, and how much the fees are. So if everything is correct and you're using the right network and sending to the correct wallet and sending Ethereum, then go and click on confirm, and from there it will be sent. So the final step is to just wait for the transaction to confirm. Ethereum transactions are usually confirmed within a few minutes, but it can take longer during high network congestion. So that's basically how to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to another wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.